Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to create, draw or add borders in your Microsoft Excel sheets. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. So this is a sort of example that I've made in the Microsoft Excel sheet so that it's easier for you to understand the whole process of making or creating borders or even editing borders for that matter. So let's get started. So first what you have to do is as you have the data, you have the grids and cells filled with the data, just select on the whole area where you have to create a border. I'll take the B and the F column as well. You can select it as per your choice. And after highlighting the whole area, you just have to go to this option that says borders. Go to the downward arrow and you can see that you'll find a lot of varieties and a lot of options. But now I'll just click on thick outside borders. After clicking on it, just remove the highlight by tapping in anywhere on the sheet, and you can see your borders have been made automatically. Now, if you click on the downward tab again and go for the lines, so all borders, if I click on all borders, click on it again, and then if you click on top and double bottom border, these borders will appear as and when you click on it. But for that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to select the whole area so that the border is applied on your data. So I'll just select the whole area. Now from here, this area, go to the borders section, go to the downward arrow. Now go to all borders, and you can see the all borders is actually bolded the lines too. And if you choose not to underline, if you just click anywhere, you'll see without the highlighting, you'll see the lines and the border. Now repeat the same method. Select the area, go to the borders, select any of these as you wish. Let's go with the inside vertical border. And as you can see, now after selecting on the borders area, there are other options as well. Either you can erase border, you can border color. So this is a very interesting feature. These are the colors. You can choose any of the colors as you may please to color your border lines in the table. So if I use the standard blue color, as you can see, as you scroll the pen, you'll see a difference in the color. Just select the whole area, go to the border color. Let's do theme color, blue. You'll see a slight difference in the colors. These are slightly blue. Now, if I select the theme colors are glow automatically. You can see the difference between these colors and these colors. These are black and these are blue now. So that's about it. You can also choose the border lines by this option, any of these lines. So as you double tap on this, you'll see the difference in the colors. Now select the whole area again, go to the border section, and you see all the vertical lines have been bolded in blue color. Go to border style, and if you want You can choose. I'll click on double line and then click here. You'll have to tap on the cell that you want as a borderline. So let's take an example. Choose the whole area, go to the borders, borderline, double tap. After this, double tap on the cell that you want the borderline for. So it's easy to, you can even mark the single cell, okay? Now, the other method is to create a table. Go to the border and click on draw border. Now, as you keep clicking and selecting, you automatically see the borders have been drawn. The changes, the double border and the double line, is due to the changes that we made before. So if we keep the border style single and if we keep the border color as black, then you can see a basic border has been created. For this, you just have to scroll to the area you want the border to be set in. Now go to the borders, go to the borders. Now go to the draw border grid. Now this is being the borders. To draw a grid, you'll just have to scroll the pencil icon in the area that you want the grid. Now we can apply the same here. Just scroll downwards and your grid will be created automatically. So that's about it.
Thank you for being with us till the end. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below to receive all the latest updates and notifications. Thank you.